Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a bill. So all you have to do is go to create and then click bill. Another one is if you have already a historical transaction about this supplier. Okay, so I'm going to search the name of this supplier. Okay, so there's a bill payment and there's also a bill. So this is the bill. This is for the month of April. Okay, now I'm going to create a bill for the month of May. So all you have to do is click more, then copy. Okay, so this is a copy. So I'll just change the billing date. Okay, so I'll make this May 26, 2026. And then I'm going to edit this one. So I'll make this May 2026. So the amount here is 6,000. Okay. And then I'll change the details using this one. So I'm going to place the memo here. Okay. Here's, okay. Or I'm going to make an attachment and save this. As a proof. Okay. So we have 6,000 here. I'm going to add attachment. So I have here the attachment, the amount 6,000. Okay, so here's the breakdown for $6,000. Okay, I have attached here. So click save and close. Now the bill is created. If we're going to check the entry for the bill, all you have to do is click more and check the transaction journal. Okay, so just to check the entry for this transaction. So accounts payable is credited and an expense is debited or recorded. That's how you create a bill. So if it's first time for you to create a bill, so you can go here, create, click create, and then go to bill. And then you choose a vendor, you fill up the billing date, and then category, and then the amount. Then if you have the attachment or memo, you place it here. Then you click save and close. So that's it. That's how you create a bill.